Hello students, today we are going to learn about clothes and kinds of clothes. Today we will have a detailed study about clothes. In the second chapter we have learned what is a clause and a phrase. And we learned the definition of a clause, that a clause is a part of a sentence and it is a group of words and having a complete sense. So, some of the points that we will discuss, that as we learnt about the clause, it is a smaller unit of a sentence or the small part of a sentence. Second point to remember, as we already said, it is also a group of words. And the next point to remember, it has a complete sense. So all these 3 points we have already discussed in the last class. Now we go with another point to remember. A clause always will have a subject-verb combination, which means a clause always will have a subject and also a verb. A verb means an action word or a doing word. Now another point to remember, a clause always has its own subject and predicate. Now what is a subject? A subject is the first part of a sentence, or in another way we can say that a subject is that about whom or about what we are speaking, and the predicate is the second part of the sentence or what the subject is doing, that is the predicate. Now in this example, John plays football regularly. It's a complete clause. Now, as we discussed, it is a group of words having complete sense, and a clause always have a subject-verb combination, and it has a subject and predicate. Now, we will discuss about this one. Now, what is the subject here? The subject is John. Okay. And next comes the place. Place is the verb. So, as we discussed, a subject will have, a clause will have subject-verb combination, and it has a full meaning, that is, John plays football regularly. Now, when we ask the question, who plays football? John plays football, and what John is doing is playing football. And how often he does? He plays football regularly. And the last point that we have discussed, it has got a subject and a predicate. Now, John is a subject, plays football regularly is a predicate.